Let's begin our discussion of motion graphs. Now, generally in a motion graph, let's just draw one. Okay, this could be, let's use velocity and time as an example. Okay, it could look like anything. Let's just draw a nice little graph, whatever. Okay, now typically when we look at the motion graph, there are three things that we must be able to do. Number one, of course, we can read off the graph directly. So this graph tells you the value of the velocity at any given time. Okay, now we must also understand how to read gradients of the graph. And so the gradient of a curve actually, right, or the tangent of the curve is usually just a line that is tangent to the curve, right? And this is what we mean by the gradient of tangent at a particular point. Okay, so the gradient of this line of the tangent is something that we must be able to do. Okay, and of course, if we look at another point, okay, the gradient could be something like that. Now, the last thing that we should be able to do when we look at graphs is to calculate the cumulative area between 2 points. So for example, I could ask for the cumulative area between T2 and maybe T1, and that would simply be the area of this. Typically, gradients are represented as a differential. So this is, in this case, will be dv dt. And of course, typically areas are represented as integrals. So this over here would be the integrate of T2, T1, v dt.